Hi, I'm Carrie Hunt, and I'm an Associate Research Scientist at the Institute for Infectious Animal Diseases here at Texas A&M AgriLife Research. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about lab safety, and we're going to go through what you would do if you have a spill occurring in a laboratory. So step one would be don't panic, and you're going to remove anything you're wearing that could be contaminated. If you got the spill on your hands, you'll first remove the gloves carefully to avoid getting whatever was spilled onto your skin, and dispose of the gloves in an appropriate biohazard safety bin. You'll then remove your laboratory coat, and then wash your hands at a sink like this in the laboratory and locate the lab's spill kit. And in this case, here in this laboratory, it's underneath the sink, so you'll get that out. And you'll want to post some signs notifying others of the spill to make sure they avoid the area. So you're going to actually leave the area of the spill for 30 minutes in order to allow any aerosol particles to settle. After the 30 minutes is up, you'll return to clean up the spill. So you'll head back to your spill kit to take out cleaning supplies. And you're going to start by putting on a disposable lab coat, a new pair of latex gloves, and it's recommended to wear eye protection when you're cleaning up a spill. So once you have those things on, you're going to make up a 10% bleach solution and apply that to the spill. You'll also lay some paper towels or other absorbent material on the top and let that work for 15 minutes. After the spill has been treated with bleach for 15 minutes, you'll place any of the exposed paper towels into the biohazard trash. If there's any broken glass, you'll use 4 steps from your spill kit, pick that up, and transfer it into the appropriate broken glass disposal container. Finally, you'll wipe up the spill area one more time with fresh bleach and new paper towels, and you'll put all the materials that you used into an autoclave bag for decontamination. And that's how you clean up a spill in the lab.